Hey guys, these are my new trays. These are cute. Oh boy, I got a little water here. But anyways, we'll just clean it up. That's all right. I have a stainless steel table with a waterproof cloth on top. But what I did was I experimented. All right? I put some radish inside the lettuce. And let's see how much weight I get out of this. The weight will actually be in the radish, but I'm mixing anyways in my salad, so I says I'd give it a try. What I did was, this is supposed to be a heart, but look at how the radishes have grown right out of my little cookie tray that I had. It's a cookie cutter. I used a heart. I says, what the heck? Let's have some fun. Life is too short. I'm gonna use these small containers because I'm out of my large ones. I'm gonna tear it. I'm gonna cut it off of there. So now the scale is set to 0. We're not gonna get much weight out of this, but this is gonna be a great salad. I'll probably have this shortly anyways with my wife. I love my microgreens. They don't take long to grow. I use only filtered water. This will be washed prior to eating it. Now that's looking good. I didn't pick up really any core there, so I'm pleased with that. I don't know how many containers I'm going to use, but I think we'll leave that one right there and go for another one. Now the leftover will go out into the garden area. The birds will come down and pick over it. Some of this will start to regrow anyways. I'm not concerned, I'm not going to eat it out there. Oh, I got some core there. We'll just wipe it off. These knives are sharp, so be careful. You can use a pair of scissors if you're not used to it. That's a lot of core there. But it's looking good overall. I'm pleased. It will be delicious, that's for sure. Good taste, good aroma out of it. Just in these small little trays. But it's dark down there because these trays do pick up the cocoa core underneath and it ends up in the water. It's not going to hurt anything. It's a good, fairly priced tray to use. 93. So we have 93 and 54. 93 and 54 grams. Now what I do is I use these lids. Has a rubber gasket on it. Go over the top, I place it down, place the seal down, lock and load. And these are going to be delicious. Enjoy your microgreens. Have a great day. Keep laughing out loud. Smile. Enjoy life. Have fun. Stay safe and healthy. Take care.